How to fix common error in Disney Plus. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix common error in Disney Plus. So here's what you need to do it. So first thing first, you want to go with the basic steps like checking your internet connection, right? So go to your settings on your device and locate network and internet from the list. Check internet, and here you go. You could go ahead and refresh or maybe restart or maybe switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. That might be able to help you out fix common error as well. Moving on, you could also restart the app as well as device. That means completely close the running app in the background. Hold on to your side button and restart the device. That might also be able to help you out. Next, you want to go ahead and make sure to check for an update or software update. For that, just go to your settings on your device, locate system. Here you want to go to software update and make sure that the software is updated to the latest version. Now next, what you want to do is, if the issue still persists on, while you're on the settings section, you want to go to the app list, locate Disney Plus and go to storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache as well. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, simply uninstall and reinstall it. At the same time, restart the device. That might be able to help you out. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.